All right, I'm going to go over how to add galleries, edit galleries for your website. So, if you want to edit galleries, you're going to log into WordPress and you're going to go to galleries, and you can edit galleries that have already been built. So, if you want to add images to them, remove images, etc., you can do that by just finding it and editing it. So that's going to go over the basics for galleries. And there's two types of galleries that we can create. There's this gallery, which is a slideshow, and this is created automatically for you if you want to have a slideshow. And then there's a secondary layout that can be like this, in which you can kind of display like full wide images with text intertwined in between. And so I will go over how to do both of these. So to get started, let's actually open this up in a new tab. And I'm going to close those other two examples. So we have our galleries, so we can kind of see us updating it. And then you have your dashboard, so we can go back and forth. So let's go ahead and create a gallery, and we'll call this sample gallery. Add in some text. And it's important to also choose a date of the gallery. So you can choose any date you'd like from the calendar, and we'll click publish. And this is the bare bones just to kind of show you what's going on. So if we refresh it, it's sorted by date. So since I added a date close to today, which was the day before, it'll show up at the top. And so you can see this. Now to add the image right here, to choose what image displays up here, we're going to go back to our post, and in this right section, we'll click Set Featured Image, and we'll choose an image to display there. So I'm just going to select one. You can drag and drop one to upload it, if you wanted to add an image. But in this example, I'm just going to select one that's existing and then click Set Featured Image, and it'll display right there. Now let's click Update again, and we'll refresh it, and you'll see the image up there. So that's how to choose the image that kind of shows up here. And now when we click on our sample gallery, it will look like this. It'll automatically pull the featured image up here at the top for you, display this, and display some text. And so for the first gallery, which is this, we'll make a slideshow pop up here. Real simple. Just edit your gallery, and under images, select what images you want to display there. So I'm just going to go ahead and select 4 images for right now. I'm assuming you'll upload the images and then select them, but for this example, I'm just going to select existing ones. So you select the ones you want, click Use These Files, and you can drag and drop to reorder or delete an image if you want. Once you're done, click Update, and then let's click refresh, and you'll see yourself having automatically built gallery for yourself. So it's pretty cool. And then let's say you wanted that orange BMW in the front. Let's go ahead and just find that one. Select it, and then we can add it, and then we'll drag it to the front. And now when we refresh your gallery, you'll see the BMW in the front that's orange. So that covers the gallery number 1. Now I am going to cover, how to create this other gallery that's kind of this longer format. So if we go back to galleries, let's call this one Add New, and we'll call this one Gallery Longer or Secondary Layout. And we'll select a date, and let's go ahead and select the same date. And we'll select a featured image. And for this one, let's go ahead and just use this image right here. We'll click Publish. And this is just to kind of get you see another example. So you see we've added this image. And now if we click on it, now we can start adding some images and text. And that is super basic. You can just click this Add Media. And you can just select, let's say we wanted 2 images in a row. We can just select these 2 images right here. And we'll want them to align center. link to none and display in the full size. And if we click insert to post, you'll see the images are displaying, you know, on top of each other. And if you want to have a little line break in between, you can just move your mouse cursor over there, select it, and then add or remove spaces just like you would in a Word document. And then let's say we wanted to add more text after the card, just select behind it and then add in text in between images. Is very simple. And let's go ahead and just update that. And then you can refresh the layout and you'll see that you can get those really pretty images looking really large in an order. And of course, you can continue adding images below. If you just scroll down, let's go ahead and add one more image to the bottom, like so. Insert into post. And so as you can see, we have two large images, some text, and then another image. When we update it and we refresh, you'll see that it displays those two images, some text, and image. And so you can make the gallery as long as you want or as short as you want. This is just kind of the two layouts that I think will work great for you guys.